Introducing our 85 ounces, 2.5L coffee carafe with pump, the ultimate solution for keeping your beverages hot or cold for up to 20 hours. This sleek and stylish insulated dispenser is perfect for any occasion, whether it's a party or simply enjoying a cup of coffee at home. Dispensing your favorite beverages has never been easier and quicker. With the pump action top, all you have to do is press down on the button at the top and watch as the delicious beverage pours out. You can fill up to 15 coffee cups with just one simple press for each, making it extremely convenient for large gatherings. Crafted from beautiful brushed stainless steel, both inside and out, this coffee carafe is not only durable but also easy to clean. It never absorbs flavors, ensuring that your beverages taste fresh each time. The wide mouth top allows you to easily add ice cubes, perfect for those who enjoy their drinks chilled. As a valuable bonus, we are including a free cleaning brush with your purchase. This accessory is essential for maintaining the cleanliness of your dispenser and can cost up to $10 elsewhere. With this coffee carafe, you'll have everything you need to keep it in pristine condition. We understand that your satisfaction is paramount. That's why we offer a no-risk purchase with our 100% money-back 30/90th day guarantee. If you're dissatisfied for any reason within 30 days, we will provide a full refund. In case of any defects, you can enjoy a full refund within 90 days. Please note, this product is designed for use in the US and may require an adapter or converter for international use. Ensure compatibility before purchasing to avoid any complications. Experience the convenience and quality of our AirPot coffee dispenser with pump today. It's the perfect thermal beverage dispenser for hot or cold water, party beverages, and even chocolate drinks. Don't miss out on this essential addition to your kitchen or party hosting essentials. Get yours now by clicking the short link, https://amzn.to/3sq6janie.